How to block someone on Facebook Messenger without them knowing. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to block someone on Facebook Messenger without them knowing. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Messenger app on your phone, and now here, once you are inside the app, simply open the chat of the person that you want to block. So here simply open the chat of the person that you want to block, and here once you're inside the chat, simply tap on the name or the profile icon at the top. And now from here what you can do is simply scroll down to the bottom, and there you can simply tap on block option, and here on the pop-up menu just tap on block option again to confirm it. And here once you do that, they will be blocked on Facebook as well as Messenger, but they won't be notified as you have blocked them. And that's it. That's how you can block someone on Facebook Messenger without them knowing. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.